Hi everybody, this is Gail, just coming on quickly today to follow up and show you this week's Roxy's weekly challenge with the tags finished. Now I did a video showing how to do them, and I would normally tack this on to next week's video, but I made a lot, so I just thought I'd take a minute to show you. These two you've seen. I don't know if I had them sewn or not when you last saw them. This is the only one that I used the zigzag on. I didn't really care for it zigzagged. And of course on the back it's strictly collage. And I used a lot of the Something Shabby kit from Artie Mays. Okay? And then I think you saw this one. And the flowers are these wonderful stickers, but I didn't have any more that were small enough to fit on these tags. So, whoops, can't even keep them in my hand. Okay, so those two I think you've seen. Then I switched over and I did birds. Now, the first three, where's that other one, are smaller because they are from Daphne's Diary magazine, and it's folded over lengthwise twice. So there's this one. Is that owl not adorable? Okay, and then on the back, this is the design that's on the Daphne Diaries page. So, I just really love that little owl. And I use different colors in terms of the background stamping with the text. This one is a sepia that's about dried up. Okay. And then here's another little guy. And this one is with, let me check. It also is a Ranger Manganese Blue archival ink for the background. And then there's the Daphne's Diary there. Check this guy out. Is this not something else? But look what he's got at his feet that he's fixing to eat. That is a snake. Oh my gosh. So, he's a bit of a predator, I would say. Okay, now these are not Something Shabby. These I think might be Amity Bloom or Casey Michelle art. Here's another one with the same blue background, text, and this I know is Casey Michelle art. Now here I went back to the black of the archival ink for the background, and of course it's fabric. And then this one, this is black, but I think I stamped off before I put it on, so it's a bit lighter. And then this, of course, is that new Tim Holtz Distress ink and the patina. Okay, here we have another. Lovely Something Shabby collage sheet. This, I think, is my favorite. This little owl is so precious. He's enchanting. And last but not least, this one. So, isn't this pretty? Love the lavenders. Okay, so you can see that is what I did. There were 11 all total, so I kind of got carried away with this one. But when you're using something like book pages, and the wider ones are used with these book pages folded over, and then 3 from the Daphne's Diary. So easy peasy and fun and cute. So, get out there, focus on joy, and find whatever it is that gives you joy. And be creative, make smart, have some fun. And until next time, please stay safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye.